Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. What you are doing at home? Okay, studying. And are you doing masti? I'm sure you will be. Right? You must be playing, you must be doing so much rubbish in the house. But are you cleaning that? Are you helping your mother? Are you keeping your house clean and neat? Okay, that's great. You're helping your mother, you're keeping your house clean. It's nice. So today we are going to start our new lesson and the name of the lesson is A Lesson for All. Here a lesson means message. Okay, this is a message for everyone. Message is that we should keep our earth, we should keep our city clean. Okay, so here are some, this is a drama. Here are some human characters as well as some animal characters. You must have learned in 4th standard Aesop's fables. There were some animal characters also. They were speaking, they were behaving like human beings, right? Talking, playing, crying, all the emotions they have. So here also some animal characters are there. So let us first see which are the human characters. First one is newspaper boy. Second one is milkman. Third is hawker. Next is school bus driver. Then Dr. Sawan. Mrs. Patel, who is a housewife. Then Mr. Desai, who is a businessman, mayor of the town. Then Mrs. Joshi, who is a housewife. She also has 2 daughters. Their names are Nidhi and Madhu. And they are school-going girls. Okay, so this many human characters are there. And animal characters are rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, bear, birds, tortoise. Okay. Here it's given in a blue color. You can see that this is the scene where, that means where this incident happened. This is a drama. So the scene is also given. Okay, it is a city street early in the morning. The city is littered with plastic bags, cartons, tins, cans, broken glass, old tires, waste paper balls, bags, and other garbage. Enter Mr. Desai. Enter Mr. Desai. Okay, the city is littered with plastic bags, cartons. Cartons means what? A box made from thick cardboard, which we are using for storing goods. Means simply we can say that carton means a box. Okay, and garbage means waste material. Whatever we are throwing in the dustbin, that is called garbage. Okay, waste material or unwanted things. Okay, and the first dialogue is Mr. Desai. He is looking out into the distance and he said, "Why hasn't the newspaper been delivered on time today? It's 9 o'clock. Almost time to leave for my office." He looks out again and again said, "Let me ask the Patels if they have received their copy." Goes into the wings and written with Mrs. Patel. Goes in the wings and returns with Mrs. Patel. Okay. So what is my wings here? Have you seen drama? Yes. On annual functions we are having some dramas, right? So the sides of a stage which cannot be seen by the people watching the play. Those who are watching drama, but they cannot see the sides of the stage, right? Where the performers are standing. That is called wings. Okay. So they came from there and they started talking. Mrs. Patel, "No, Mr. Desai, the newspaper boy hasn't delivered the papers as yet. Nor has our milkman turned up. Mr. Patel is so grumpy. He is waiting for his morning cup of tea." This Mr. Desai, he want to go to the office, but as a habit, he want to read the newspaper. But Mr. Desai also not got the newspaper, as well as Mrs. Patel said that I also not got the newspaper and milk. Then Mr. Desai said, Very strange. And look, the state the street is in. It's simply shocking. Mrs. Patel says, my word, what's this? Where did all this litter and garbage come from? Now these both are in very shock that how much garbage is there. Okay, this Mrs. Patel is saying that Mr. Patel is so grumpy. Grumpy means what? Easily annoyed and complaining. Okay, grumpy means easily annoyed and complaining. Her husband is very annoyed. Okay. Now Mrs. Joshi and her daughters come. Mr. Desai said, I returned rather late from the office. Last night the street was bare. How did all this rubbish gather here overnight? Suddenly Madhu falls and injures her foot, gives out a cry of pain. Madhu, oh, ouch, my foot, it hurts. Mrs. Joshi, oh dear, Madhu, are you alright? Oh no, her foot is bleeding so much. Somebody help, please. So, Mr. Desai told that he has come very late from the office. That time the street was bare, means it was clean, no one was there, nothing was there. But how it all have come overnight. Then suddenly this Madhu, she is the daughter of Mrs. Joshi, right? So she falls and she started crying. Her foot was bleeding. Okay. So Mrs. Patel says, Nidhi ran and fetched Dr. Mrs. Sawant. Request her to come quickly. Your sister has cut herself on a broken glass bottle. So this Mrs. Patel told another girl, Nidhi, to go and fetch. Fetch means call. Okay, call or to get someone or something. He has to call Dr. Sawant. Mr. Desai, he said, I will get some ice at once. Mrs. Joshi said, my poor child, how did all this broken glass happen to be here? Mrs. Patel says, look around, it's not just broken glass but... Mrs. Joshi said, dear me, what nonsense this is! Unbelievable! Where has all this rubbish come from? Dr. Sawant enters with Nidhi. She has a doctor's kit. Dr. Sawant says, let me see the wound. Mr. Desai says, here's some ice to stop the bleeding. Now these are the neighboring peoples all have gathered as this Madhu has get wounded. She has got hurt because of the broken glass. Everyone is looking here and there and they are saying, how nonsense is this? This was unbelievable for them. This was really unbelievable for them. Because so much rubbish was there on the street. Dr. Sawant also came. She is busy in observing this daughter. And Mr. Desai has brought some ice to stop the bleeding. Dr. Sawant says, what presence of mind. Good. There now. It has stopped bleeding. It's a deep cut. I will dress the wound and she will be fine. Mrs. Joshi said, thank you, doctor. So kind of you to come at once. But I am going to complain to the mayor. Have you seen the rubbish and the litter on the ground? Dr. Sawant said, oh, it's a mystery. All this garbage was not there yesterday. And now just look. Enter newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, etc. This Dr. Sawant is happy that Mr. Desai has brought some ice. It is going to help to stop the bleeding. Mrs. Joshi also said that thank you to doctor, but she also said that she is going to complain of this rubbish to the mayor. When this newspaper boy and milkman hawker, all the three people came, Mrs. Patel says, the mayor must not have seen. Look, the newspaper boy, he is limping, and the milkman at last. Why? Where's your bicycle and why are you late? Milkman says, the tires were punctured. I had to come walking all the way with this heavy milk can. newspaper boy. And I tripped over an old tire and sprained my foot. It was quite dark early this morning. I did not expect an old tire to right in the middle of the road. Mr. Desai, I see. Something must be done. So this all the people's milkman and this newspaper boy told that what was their problem. Milkman told that his tire was punctured, so he was late. And newspaper boy also told that he had tripped over. Tripped over means lost his balance and knocked on his foot against something when he was walking, and he has got sprained. Sprained means his leg had sprained, means his leg has twist, and because of that it is paining. It has injured. Okay, so that is called sprained. Bus driver also came and he said, Mrs. Joshi, I'm sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It looks like an obstacle race course. Mrs. Joshi, I know, I am going to send for the mayor at once. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. Hawker says, no one is safe. Let us request the mayor to come and see for himself. Mr. Desai said, I will fetch him. Exit. So bus driver came and he told that it is obstacle race. Obstacle race means a race in which runners have to climb over. You must be knowing obstacle race, right? You have to climb over and or through some of the obstacles, and you have to complete the race. That is called obstacle race. Then Hawker also said that no one is safe. We have to call Mr. Mayor and let him see this. So Mr. Desai went to call him. Mayor said, unbelievable, shocking. How do you expect people to walk through all this rubbish? Why don't you all dispose of the garbage properly? Mrs. Patel says, but we do, Mr. Mayor. You give our garbage to the garbage collector. Mrs. Joshi said, yes, we don't litter our streets like this. Mr. Desai says, or we take it to the dumping ground near the river side, away from here. The rains then wash it away. Mrs. Patel said, or the winds blow it away. Mayor says, then how did it come back into the town overnight? Bus driver said, that's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery. Newspaper boy said, it looks like someone has done it purposely to spoil our town. Mrs. Joshi said, and endanger our children. Milkman, and hinder our daily work. Mayor says, we will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone. Who has done this? Who is responsible for this? By watching this, all the garbage Mayor is confused whether these peoples are not disposing all the garbage properly. Dispose means what? Dispose means to get rid of something. Okay. Then all the people, they told that how they are disposing these things in the dumping ground or near the river side or other places. They also told that rains wash away or winds blow from there. Okay. Then Mayor asked, then how did it come back into the town overnight? Then all the people told that they also don't know these other things. Now this mayor said, we will not tolerate this. So this way this mayor promised them that he will solve this problem. He will not leave anyone. He is going to punish the person who is the responsible for this. I hope you understand this much lesson. The remaining part I will be explaining you tomorrow. Till the time you can read the lesson, learn the new words, their spellings and the meaning. Thank you. Bye.